as we celebrate the birth anniversary of the Saffron Robert monk who projected spirituality of Hinduism. The diversity and syncretic nature of India, it is very reassuring. His teachings are in total contrast to the present scenario, where many saffron-robed are promoting hate and inciting violence in the name of same religion. Swami Vivekananda, the legend who conveyed the essence of Hindu religion as humanism and love, in his speech in Chicago will remain a landmark in times to come. He could make impact as he courageously put forth the great values of Hinduism while underlying the inhuman practices prevalent in the human flesh. In the name of the same religion, Sunil Khilnani quotes a valuable saying of his talking of Hindu religion. Swamiji says, "No religion on earth preaches dignity of humanity in such lofty strains as Hinduism, and no religion on earth treads upon necks of the poor and low in such a fashion as Hinduism." For him, poverty and caste system were the curses which needed eradication. In tune with that, he sees God in the poor, Dalit Narayana, and restoring dignity to the untouchables becomes his central concern. He did not see that religions are in conflict as he picked up values of meditation from Buddhism. For him, knowledge was not restricted by boundaries, and so far him, Western science and rational philosophy were to be accepted and respected.
अगर अभी तक आप लोगों ने हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो सबसे पहले इसे सब्सक्राइब कर ले, साथ में रेड कलर के बेल आइकन को दबाएं, जिससे कि रोजाना देश विदेश की खबरें आप तक पहले पहुंच सके। साथ में आप अपने सुझाव को हमारे कमेंट बॉक्स में भी लिख सकते हैं और इसे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें।